hospital. Someone help me.
Wait, Teresa. My friend need to have help.
Yes, I need to have some help. Help me, please. I'm dizzy.
Oh, my friend Crocodile. Of course I'm gonna help you. Come on, I'll take you to the hospital.
Oh, thank you, Barbie. I knew you would come to rescue me. What is this then? Oh, Shasha, is that you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm really poorly today. What do you want? Huh?
I gotta see your teeth.
Oh, no, I need to go to the hospital. I'm sick. Take me, Barbie, please.
Of course, let's go. Let's go.
Me too. Can I give you a chocolate?
Did you say chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate. You know that, don't you?
You like chocolate or not?
Of course, I like chocolate. Hey, Teresa, it will take a minute. Come on, hurry up, I'm sick. Maybe I feel better. Oh, thank you. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Hurry up.